My name is Dwayne Edwards. I'm the founder of Pensole Footwear Design Academy. Over the course of my 30-year career, I was blessed to design well over 500 styles that have gone to retail globally, as well as have over 50 patents in my name. My career really started by being persistent, showing kind of that determination that's needed to get into our industry and to stay in our industry. One of the things that I always wanted to continue to do was to inspire people and to help discover people. I wanted to test this idea of what it'd be like to have academies specifically dedicated to footwear. Give the industry a new voice, new energy, new excitement, new designs, new talent. An academy that taught students the professional design process. We want to be able to show these kids that there's other opportunities if they just look a bit deeper. We've been able to educate over 400 kids to get jobs in our industry at some of the top brands. Pensole is not just about footwear. We also teach product marketing, 3D design, concept creation, mastering the idea of educating kids on the product creation experience. In 2015, Pensole and Foot Locker together, we embarked on a mission to fuel the future of footwear. Over the course of these 4 classes that we've done together in these 5 years, 30 students from those classes are now currently employed at some of the best footwear companies in our industry. Today, I'm coming to you as a partner, and Pensole has become a new member of the Foot Locker portfolio. And we're going to change education through product creation, through the ability to create new retail experiences. It is unlike any other thing that exists in the industry. Foot Locker wants to inspire and empower youth culture. We want to inspire and educate youth culture. We both have a shared vision of making this industry better, and it becomes these life-changing experiences for these students that they don't get a chance to experience anywhere in the world. I'm proud to be a part of the family, and I know every student that walks through these doors will also benefit from and appreciate as well.